Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by powering the controller off and removing batteries. This prevents shorting when you expose circuitry. Once done, use a Torx driver to remove the visible screws and check under the small rubber grip for one hidden Torx screw. Make sure to work on a clean surface and keep screws grouped. You'll pry gently where seams meet. Use a plastic tool to separate clips without scratching. This first stage exposes the back shell and readies the controller for internal access. Now you open the shell by easing the pry tool around the rim. Release clips a little at a time to avoid snapping plastic. Once the back lifts, pause and identify the battery connector and any ribbon cables linked to the front PCB. Disconnect the battery first to eliminate power. Then carefully unplug joystick and trigger ribbons by lifting their latches. Use tweezers if needed. Make sure to note connector orientation so reassembly is straightforward, and you don't damage fragile flex cables. You finish by unscrewing internal fasteners that hold the PCB and removing the board assemblies. Lift straight to avoid bending pins. Once components are out, inspect plastic clips and mating surfaces for stress. Replace broken clips or use non-conductive adhesive for minor repairs. Reassembly reverses these steps. Reconnect ribbons, seat boards, secure screws, and clip shells together before replacing rubber grips. Troubleshooting tip: if something won't seat, don't force it. Recheck connector orientation and clip alignment to prevent cracking or electrical faults.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.